Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. As many students are going to write supplementary and improvement exam, so today in this video I'll give you instructions, some exam tips, mistakes to avoid about exam centers, seating arrangements, question papers, etc. So let's begin the video. Exam instructions. Carry your hall ticket every day for every exam. Arrive at the exam center at least 30 minutes before the scheduled time. Use only blue or black pens. Do not bring mobile phones, smartwatches, or any electronic devices. Write legibly and avoid overwriting or striking. Clearly mention the question numbers. Maintain silence and avoid any form of malpractice, means cheating. Violations can lead to disqualification. Now regarding passing marks, to pass the TS inter exams, you need to score at least 35% in each subject. If your paper is out of 100, then 35 marks you need to pass. If it is out of 80, then 28 marks. If it is out of 75, then 26 marks you need to pass. And if your paper is out of 60, then you need 21 marks minimum to pass. For subjects that include both theory and practicals like physics, chemistry, biology, English, then at a minimum you need to score 35% marks separately in both theory and practical exams. Now some exam tips. Concentrate on the prescribed textbooks. They are the primary source for questions. Solve past question papers to understand the exam pattern. Give specific time to slots for each subject and stick to the schedule. Regularly practice writing answers to improve speed and handwriting. Studying with friends can help in better understanding and retention. Make sure to get adequate sleep and balanced diet to maintain your focus. Now, mistakes to avoid. Regular revision is very important. And don't only depend on last minute studying. Try to attempt all the questions. By writing only half answers, you may lose the marks in your exam. Read and follow all instructions carefully to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Even if a subject seems easy to you, still give it proper preparation time. Next, neatness counts. Present your answers clearly and systematically. The big mistake that students do is that they don't write proper bit numbers and they do not answer in order. Like right after the first question, they directly go to fifth question. So try to avoid such mistakes. Now regarding exam centers, supplementary exam or improvement exams may be conducted at different centers from your previous ones. The exact exam center will be mentioned on your hall ticket. Check it thoroughly. Now regarding seating arrangement, supplementary and improvement candidates may be seated in the same examination halls. So this should not affect you students. Your hall ticket will specify whether you're appearing for improvement or supplementary exams. Now regarding question papers, both improvement and supplementary candidates receive the same question papers. The difficulty levels remain consistent with the regular exams. So students, don't depend on anything, just depend on yourself, your hard work. Don't think that maybe my center is going to be loose or tight. All these things won't matter because you'll be writing exams under CCTV surveillance. Apart from this, follow the regular instructions. Do not wear shoes as frisking will take place. That means they are going to check you completely before letting you enter the exam hall. The students who are going to write English improvement exam can follow my English playlist for both inter first year and second year. If you need PDFs of summaries, then it's ready students. Just contact me on my Telegram ID. The link is given in the comment section. And for all other subjects, the important questions have been uploaded. For other subjects, PDFs are also there. You can ask me on my Telegram ID. Apart from this, I'm uploading most important exercises that will get you full marks. So just hit the bell icon to get notified. And most of the videos are premiered on my channel. Just click on notify me and you'll get the notification when that video is live.